crazy how different the mountains look when you're far away from them. Well, I'm only a mile away. It looks so steep. Like if you were standing on top of it, you would like fall down. Also, it looks like it's only 100, 200 feet tall, but it's like thousands of feet tall. That's where we're heading right now in the GS 350. So let's see how the Lexus Boat 350 handles. And the reason I'm calling it the Lexus Boat 350 is because this car is huge. When you think canyon carving, you don't think Lexus. You definitely don't think executive sedan. And that's what this car is. It's a big Lexus executive sedan, but I promise you guys, this car can definitely handle the canyons. It's a really weird feeling being in this car. You take a turn and it handles that turn pretty well, and it's kind of weird. You know, you're in a big car, but for right now, let's hear a little bit of this Borla exhaust. Yeah, get it warmed up before we hit the canyons. The sun's over already. So you think someone crashed? Or are they having people turn back? Oh, I see the police. Oh, I need to take this thing off. They're gonna get me. And wow, the canyons. I don't know how well this is being picked up on video, but they look beautiful. Like how big and majestic they are. I hope you guys can see it. If you guys can't see it, well, I don't really know what to tell you, but hopefully you can see it. So I haven't stepped on the brakes once. This car has been doing a good job of keeping the RPMs kind of high enough that I'm using engine braking, and I'm able to just keep up. You know, I don't have to step on the brakes like these guys do. All right, so I think here I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. Man, it's always scary like how little or how blind that curve is. So I'm gonna go more this way and make my turn over here, kind of more towards the middle, where I'm not so blind to both sides. All right, and here we go. So I can't see the video. Oh wow, he overtook. Wow, that's crazy. That guy overtook. I don't even know if it got picked up on camera, but he overtook like on this curve. Man, it's, you know, sometimes crazy being up here. I know when I had my 2IS and I would come up here all the time, you would just see some crazy stuff, and I might chill here for a bit, let them go all the way down. Let's go. Oh, actually, never mind. After these cars. Alright, I'm gonna give them like 10 seconds and then we'll go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Pretty sure they're not driving that slow. Alright, let's put this guy in Sport Plus. So curve's coming up ahead. Let's see how the GS handles it. Ready, cookies? Oh, that's good. Yep. Super. How's it feel on your side? Yeah. Feels scary?
No.
It's not too fast, huh? The thing about the GS is I have confidence in it. It definitely feels planted. There's nothing squirrely about this car, and that's a good thing because I don't want a squirrely car up here in the canyons. No, squirrely. Like squirrely is like where the car like, man, okay. You know how like you remember that squirrel we saw jumping in the last video? Yeah. Like that, like it's all over the place. It's all crazy, and that is not what the GS is. It's definitely planted. It feels good.
Oh, you mean like my Honda?
No, yeah. So your Honda, because it was so light, I mean, it felt good. It handled well, but I wouldn't say it felt planted. This car feels planted. Alright, I'm gonna take Yeah, the thing about these brakes too is, man, these brakes, I have never ever complained about them. They have always felt solid. I've always felt like I could stop on a dime. And I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you guys and pretend I'm some professional like race car driver. As you can see, I'm still, you know, kind of building up my skills a little bit, and also staying within my limits, because, you know, I'm not the, all right, so that turn is at 20 miles per hour. Whoa, the speed limit, and this GS is taking it at 40, no problemo. But that's my limit right there. I'm not gonna push it any further than that, because I don't want to become part of the canyon either. And also, we're ready to head down because we're starving. You hungry, Cupcake?
Yes, all day.
Yeah, both been stuck at work all day. Haven't had a chance to eat some real food. Here we go. One more turn. We're probably gonna catch up to him after this turn. Yeah, he's right there. There we go. So for those turns, I didn't need to really step on the brakes, and the car in front of me did. So anyone who says the Lexus can't carve canyons, here is absolute proof that it can. And one of the reasons why I want to make this video as well is because in my 5 things I like about the GS350, I mentioned the handling, and I took it up to the canyons to showcase the handling. And I got clowned in the comments saying, like, you know, you want to showcase the handling, but you're driving like 30 miles an hour. And that's the crazy thing about living in California. It's just traffic everywhere. Traffic to go to the canyons, traffic in the canyons, traffic to get food after the canyons, traffic at the In-N-Out. You think I should take this thing off?
You look like a weirdo. Take that thing off.
Can I get 2 cheeseburgers?
Alright, here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. We got our food right here. We got the GS right there. Let's see.
Something hanging in the bottom of your car.
What is that?
Something metal.
All right, so let's see what's down there.
Oh, fuck.
Are you recording?
Oh, shit, man. Put my knuckle around top of a goddamn rock.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, you know what that is?
What is it?
It's just the tag for the new part. It just came down. It's just a tag. It's like just a
Tag
tape.
for what?
It's like the part number. You know how I always leave a sticker on everything?
Yo, everybody knows a hat isn't legit unless it's got stickers on it, man. Alright, so peep this. I got 3 on top, 3 on the undervisor with the price sticker, and 2 on the back for good measure. And if that don't look right, I got reinforcements on deck.
I left
Yeah.
the sticker on the part number when I bought it, and
Oh.
it came down. Yeah. All right. Well, the good news is nothing is broken with the GS350, guys. God damn, freaking burgers gave me acid reflux.
Give me COVID.
Yeah. You already know what you gotta do. Subscribe, like, comment, share this video. I appreciate it when you guys do.
You look like a tomato.
I look like a tomato. All right, and I want to give a big thanks to everyone who has subscribed, because I hit 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys, I really appreciate it. And also shout out to Mr. O-Dog, because he made this POV possible. He's the one who made a tutorial on how to film a POV. So I have the link down in the description if you want to check his video out. Go ahead and subscribe to him as well. All right, guys, peace.